Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the latitude and the longitude unit on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the Tools section, tap to the Settings button. At the left side on the screen, go to the Units and Time section, and the first option, the latitude/longitude display, and here you can select decimal, DMS or DMD, and just select one and click that, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.